What is a cell? A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. Discovery of the cell. Cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell theory. All living organisms are made of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in organisms. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Main parts of a typical cells: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Types of cells: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, simple cells without a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells, more complex cells with a nucleus. Your body has trillions of cells, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, and blood cells. Plant cells contain chloroplasts that capture sunlight to make food. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts or a cell wall, which makes them more flexible in shape. Thank you.